Hi boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to update our computers. I know that you have done it before, but all you have to do is turn your computer on. You have to go to your search bar and type in update. Only the first few letters it should come up. So you're going to click right here. You are going to then check for updates. So mine was last checked right now. You can see that all updates are done. And then sometimes right below this, you'll see optional updates, and you're going to click on that, select all the boxes, and update as well. So once these are updated, it might take a few minutes depending on how many you have. It could take anywhere from 2 minutes, 2 seconds really, to about 20 to 30 minutes. It just depends on how much you have in there. The next thing you can do, let's say it only took 2 seconds, or later when you are all done, you can go to Google. Your Google has to be updated too. So you're going to click on these 3 dots. You are going to go to Help, and you're going to go to About Google Chrome. So again, the 3 dots, Help, About Google Chrome. Click on it, and it'll tell you if your Chrome is up to date or not. One more thing that you can do, you can click on the 3 dots. You can go to your settings. You can go to security and privacy, and you can clear your cookies and site data. So actually, not your cookies and site data. I went to the wrong one. You can do that too. But you can go to clear your browsing data, and you're going to make sure this is selected to all time and clear that data. All right. This will help keep your computer healthy. This is something you should do all the time, at least once a week. I'm going to leave this in this folder so you can refer back to it in case you forgot at all anytime. Okay?